Stop your bank account from running dry before payday. Here's a simple budgeting hack for all BeeCoinWise members. Make CelBux your self-subscription service for everyday essentials. Instead of watching your money disappear, set aside to start a small amount each month specifically for groceries, fuel, airtime, utility bills, medications, and takeaways. The best part? You're not paying a company, you're simply preloading your own spending to stay in control and to make money. Here's how it works. First, choose a starting amount that matches what you already spend at existing CelBux merchants, say $300, $2,000, or even more based on your existing budget and spending. Second, set up a monthly automated stop order from your bank account to your CelBux wallet. Use your cell number as the reference. Third, use your CelBux voucher, smart banking, Y code, or 168 code to pay for essentials at all participating merchants. Finally, track your spending and adjust your amount for next month if needed, up or down. Unlike a debit order, you have complete control. You can edit, adjust, or cancel at any time. Any unused balance simply rolls over. Start small, then scale up as you get comfortable. And as time goes, your BeeCoinWise commissions and CelBux commissions will add to this amount weekly and monthly. No more end-of-month panic with CelBux, and down the line, you will even start drawing out of your CelBux wallet. This will not just be to supplement your standard income, but could even replace it. Don't forget to set up your bank to preload your CelBux wallet monthly. Your money, your control.